Here's a beauty to take a look at, and you don't see these every day. Check this one out. 1948 Dodge Power Wagon, 4x4 medium duty truck. Of course, this would be the first series Power Wagon, known as a T137 by enthusiasts. This would be model number B-1-PW, and in this one's case, it is PW126. Very interesting history of this truck, and I'll get into that a little bit later. First of all, we'll go over some of the specs on this one. This would have the 230 cubic inch inline flathead 6-cylinder underneath the hood. That would be the correct original size engine these would have been manufactured with. And then it's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission with 2-speed low-range transfer case for part-time 4x4 with a power takeoff or PTO. And if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this, the engine bay interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video. The description is going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us to 507-386-1726. Of course, check out the winch in the front of this. If these were to get stuck, they could pull their own weight and pull themselves out. Of course, this vehicle started as a military vehicle from Dodge and then later became into civilian use, and that's when this would have came along in 1948. I believe it was the first mass-produced medium-duty truck that was built for civilian use by one of the larger manufacturers. This particular truck, the cool story, all right, this truck was in the same county in Iowa until it came to us and was offered for sale. It was actually a county truck that was used for utility purposes, of course. The gentleman that restored this truck said he could remember the county pulling out trees from ravines and the work that it did maybe after storms, and was used for their county truck. It was then purchased at a county auction and later restored. This truck has less than 500 miles on it since restoration. And we're going to start it up. Let's check out that engine bay here at Run. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There's probably 100 or so pictures of this truck on our website. See the box and everything finished off just as nice as the rest of the truck, and it's what you would expect from a truck that's got 500 miles or less on it since the restoration. Again, still pictures can be seen at Unique Classic Cars if you want to take your time looking through them. Want to call and consult with a sales associate, 507-386-1726. And of course, we always have an open door policy for third-party inspectors if you'd like somebody to feel, touch, and see this one. Can't make it yourself, feel free to, although this one is definitely not going to disappoint. What you see in the pictures, this video, is definitely what you get on this one, plus that cool history. Well-known history of the truck. You can see paint's nice on it. All right, let's go ahead, pop this open, check out the interior. We'll start it up, let you hear it run, then we'll check out the engine bay. Rubber flooring, vinyl seats, all in nice condition. Again, with the miles on it, that's what you'd expect. It does have a set of Dolphin gauges that have been installed in the cluster. It does have switches above the windshield, if you can see them up there. That's for the windshield wipers. Sorry about the glare there. I'm trying to show you the headliner. Now the cab is finished off. All right, there's your miles since restoration, 223. We're going to go ahead and choke this a little bit. Turn the key here, and the starter is up on above the gas pedal under here. I'm going to push the starter. Choke back in. See how easily it starts. Make sure we're in neutral. See the oil pressure gauge, volts charging, low on fuel, and the water temp obviously would come up with the temperature of the engine. Plaques in place that you'd expect. That's how they would have came in 48. Nice responsive, good running engine. thing, windshield does still crank out, so you could be ventilated in here. Windshield wiper switch does work. Check the one foot on the passenger side. And again, those toggle switches just up there. All right. Original VIN plaque, everything is there. You'll see that in the still pictures also. What you'd expect as far as sound, the way it runs. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. It's gonna take me 2 hands to get this hood open. I'm gonna open it on both sides. Let's check out this engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's the workhorse, 230 inline 6-cylinder. If you look right about there, you can see the stamping on the engine. That'll be in the still pictures. Smooth runner. Again, less than 500 miles since restoration. 12-volt system. Nice sounding, good running engine. Look at the grill on this. That wasn't for utility use. Very cool truck with a great history, nice shape, well restored. Great story behind it. What more do you want? 1948 Dodge Power Wagon, first series. T137 for the enthusiasts. Otherwise that B-1-PW, and in this case 126. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.